we are asking everyone associated with the school to monitor themselves for symptoms. If they begin to experience symptoms, we want them to get tested, and even if they're not experiencing symptoms, you know, it's perfectly advisable to get tested. But we know that the 14-day quarantine or closure, as recommended, you know, as that's what the CDC guidelines indicate, should give the time necessary for symptoms to occur if they're going to occur. So we're following that plan and expect to be back in school on the 12th. We know that this is disruptive and places a significant burden on our parents, and we recognize that, and the decision was not taken lightly. With consult of Pinal County Health Department, we wanted to act on the behalf of the safety of our staff and students, and so that's how we find ourselves where we are. In the past week or so, we've been responding to the notification of positive confirmed cases of COVID-19. And we're very thankful for our staff and our families for being forward about that communication, because we can respond immediately. Yeah, the 6 cases that have prompted the closure of Saddleback are 3 students and 3 staff members. So the response is varied along a spectrum from quarantining a small number of folks who've had exposure to a class or a number of classes, or in yesterday's case, an entire school. And that is done in consultation with Pinal County. School districts in Pinal County are in daily communication with the Pinal County Health Department. And so we have a very open channels and lots of collaboration and support. Each case has been individuals experiencing symptoms and getting tested and then reporting back to us, which is, you know, that's the way it's supposed to work. We began this school year with the intent to have a sustainable plan that would allow us to shift our strategy, shift our delivery from in-person to online or distance learning on a day's notice, or a few hours notice in the case of last night. By equipping every student with a laptop and keeping our teachers equipped with their laptops and a curriculum that supports online and in-person delivery, we are able to shift strategy in very short notice. So while we hoped for the best, we planned for intermittent closures and having to place smaller numbers of students and staff on quarantine. So the plan has worked in these situations. This is also a great time to remind our school community that the prevention protocols are important. Wearing a mask, washing your hands, staying close to home. That's how we keep schools open. So thank you for practicing those prevention protocols.